Morning of the first day. Camp is all packed up. Right here is the key to success. So, sleeping bag, I've got the tarp and the tent, the rain fly in here, and also my hammock. So this is my little setup box. Just get everything that I need for sleep in one spot. It's super easy and it just makes it a lot more enjoyable. Alright, so now we're headed to the grocery store. Still don't know what grocery store we're going to because I got no reception, but it's okay. It's all part of the adventure, you know? Came in last night not even knowing where we were going to sleep, but we found a place, so that's what really matters. It's already 92 outside. It's only 11 o'clock. I thought I'd give a rundown of what's going to happen today. So we're heading over to the Colorado River to hit some trails. We're going to see what we can get into, basically. We really have no idea about anything here since it's our first time, so we're just really excited to get into it, basically. The area we're going to be driving through is BLM also, so we'll be scouting out possible campsites and just overall having a great time wheeling. So I'm going to get some great shots of the 4Runner, hopefully some great shots of the Tacoma, and going to have a great day. Oh yeah. Brought them down to 20 PSI. So what, river trail or this trail?
I don't mind either. We can do both probably.
Yeah, you're good. Oh yeah. Killed it. at a different angle because you're flexed out in the back. Yeah. You can come more towards me. Come a little more towards me, yeah. Alright. Go straight.
That straight?
Yeah, go straight until you feel your front tire drop off. Alright, now start turning over here this way. Yeah, good job. Your back tire is down now. Alright, now you're going to want to keep it straight. Over here. So you can either put your tire here or here. You're looking good. You can just come straight through. And then there's just this pointing rock right there. Yeah, you're gonna clear it. Good job! Camp is all set up.